Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy target date funds Vanguard step by step. Open your Vanguard account, confirm your identity, and navigate to the Mutual Funds or ETFs page. Search for the target date fund that matches your retirement year, read the fund facts and expense ratio, and confirm it aligns with your risk tolerance. Decide between automatic investing or a one-time purchase, then complete the buy order. Begin by matching the fund's target year to your retirement timeline and personal goals. Compare expense ratios, holdings, and the glide path to see how the fund becomes more conservative over time. Check whether you prefer a fund vested in stocks versus bonds at different stages. Factor in tax efficiency and any minimum investment amounts, then pick the fund ticker that best matches both your horizon and risk comfort. Decide whether you want to invest a lump sum or set recurring contributions to dollar cost average over time. Select the mutual fund share class or ETF share if both exist, and check any minimums and transaction fees. Enter the dollar amount or number of shares, review the trade date and settlement details, and confirm the order. Finally, monitor your investment periodically and rebalance if your asset mix drifts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.